One way to open your Gmail account is to go to gmail.com, sign in, type your CWC email, and it will take you to the CWC login. You'll use your username and then sign in with your password. Another option is to log into cwc.edu/mycentral. You'll log in here. Here, I'll just go back quick. So here's the login. You log into your account. And that automatically opens up. If you open to your CWC dashboard, you will find your email down in the G Suite. So you can click on Mail to open it there.